create an elegant half-up hairstyle secured with a hairpin. Separate your top section of hair above your ears. Wrap the section up around your fingers and rotate your hand to control the loop and twist upwards. Use the loop at the top to anchor the twisted half updo. Secure in place with a hairpin. Insert the legs of the hairpin into the side of the twist, flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push down through the hairstyle, securing the twist and loop in place. An easy way to elevate your half up, half down hairstyles.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.